Hello everybody, Peter here. Today we're doing an unboxing of a laptop from Lenovo. This is a Lenovo IdeaPad, a 14-inch laptop. To be more exact about the name, I'm gonna turn the box so I say it correctly. This is the IdeaPad 3 14-inch ADA06. Depending on what type of configuration you get, so the different processor or the different storage capacity, the last digits might differ. But most laptops from Lenovo that are in the IdeaPad 3 family should look quite the same. So if you have another processor or storage, this is still relevant for you about how your laptop would look. I'll go to the specs of this particular one first. So we do have a Ryzen 5 3500U. So it's the third generation of Ryzen with 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. This is a small laptop since it's 14-inch screen. And we also get here that it's a 2-cell battery. I'm going to explain why this is like this later. But let's get to the actual unboxing itself. So this is the box. At first it looks quite elegant. Nothing else on each side. It is cheap, like it feels cheap. But at least I think it's more eco, like this type of cardboard that doesn't have so many shiny printouts. It's more ecological, so that's a good thing. The bad thing, it's quite a hassle to unbox. Like, it doesn't feel premium at all. I have seen laptops who have done a way better job. So I have already cut the seal. You take this one up, pretty normal. Then you take this one. And usually a box for a laptop goes up like this, but this one doesn't. So you just take this out and it's packed like this. Maybe on other regions it differs, but mine came like this and it feels pretty cheap. This is a value laptop, so I'd pass this as an okay thing, but the box, if you're really into that, it's not that great. So you take this styrofoam out and then you're left with a bag. Don't know if it's anti-static. It doesn't have those black marks on it, so I think it's just a normal bag. And in there is the manual. And that's about it in general. Here's the laptop. And before opening it, I'm gonna also show you the charger that is inside the box. So that's it. Quite empty, I would say. And here's the charger. It has been taken out previously because it was taken from a showroom, and at least in my region people test the laptops when they are taken out from a showroom. But it looks like this. It's a big charger. So compared to the other 14-inch laptop that I have, this is a big charger. Not heavy, but since the whole thing of this laptop is being ultra portable, it's a drawback. So I'll just go around the laptop to show you the ports, and then I'll open it and talk more about design. So we have the power here, a HDMI, 3 USBs. That's actually great. My laptop suffers from a lack of USB, so 3 on this side is actually a really great thing. Most come with only 2, but then there is no USB on this side. You have an SD card storage, so if you're doing video editing on the go and you just take it out of the camera, put it here, that's a great thing. We also have a headphone jack, that it's a combo, so microphone and out at the same time. On the back, 4 rubber feet. Pretty sturdy, so I really hope that this will not come out as easily as they did on other laptops. And here's the cooler. Remember the 2-cell part? Newer laptops actually have a really small motherboard. So I do not open this, I haven't opened this, but I really think that it's only here. And since they have plenty of space, they actually put in 2 batteries, so it lasts longer. So compared with this, paired with this processor from Ryzen, it should be able to stay quite a lot of time powered on, because it has a small screen and 2 batteries. So when I take out the lid, it has opened because I have also installed Windows on it. So you can see the screen. It came with a free DOS, something that is basically a command prompt, and I changed it. Another cool thing about the laptop is the fact that the hinge goes way down, so you can make it flat if you wish to. And this is how it looks. Lots of stickers. This one is pretty annoying in here put, so I'll have to take it out at some point, but I'm afraid glue will stick here. A white keyboard, the Lenovo branding here. And in here it says that it's a Ryzen 5 with Radeon Vega 8 graphics, so it's pretty powerful. You can actually play some games on this. And it's portable. My only problem with this laptop would be the fact that it has quite big bezels, so compared to the other laptop that I have from Asus, it has big bezels, so it kind of defeats the point of having a 14-inch screen. But at the same time, it's a cheap laptop, so I can live with it. In here there's a camera shutter I see. That's pretty cool, haven't seen it before. So you can just shut your camera when needed. The trackpad is pretty small, but I think this is enough with the details for now, since this is only the unboxing, so I have given you a little hints of what I see on like the first time with this laptop. It's simple. Since the box is pretty empty, it does not have manuals, it does not have drivers, it doesn't even have a CD tray, so it would make no sense to have drivers on a CD. Though I think it would be quite smart to have like a 2 gig SD card, since it has a SD card reader with drivers. That would be cool. In general, it's a great laptop. I bought it really cheap. And I know it's powerful. I actually run a Ryzen 5 of the 2nd generation, and I cannot complain about them, so I think this will not have any problems in the future. What else to say? I'm gonna do a review of this, so I'm gonna go more into depth about how it runs, how well it cools, and all of that stuff. So stay tuned on the channel for the review. This has been the unboxing of the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. See you soon.